Every day, you talk to someone, you encourage people, you support friends, you forgive others, but there is one person you speak to more than anyone else, yourself, and the words you say to yourself are shaping your entire life, your confidence, your decisions, your relationships, your future. Most people don't realize this. They repeat negative sentences every single day. I'm not good enough. I always fail. I can't do this. And slowly, their mind starts believing it. But what if you change the conversation? What if the voice inside your head became your greatest supporter? Because the way you speak to yourself becomes the way you see yourself, and the way you see yourself becomes the life you create. Many people don't need more enemies. They already have one. The voice inside their mind. The voice that attacks them after every mistake. The voice that reminds them of every failure. The voice that tells them they are behind. Imagine if someone else spoke to you the way you speak to yourself. Would you accept it? Would you stay around them? Probably not. So why allow your own mind to destroy your confidence? You are not supposed to become your own critic. You are supposed to become your own builder. One of the most powerful sentences you can tell yourself is, I am becoming better. Not, I am perfect. Because perfection is impossible. Growth is real. Every day you are becoming stronger, smarter, wiser, more disciplined. You don't need to have everything figured out today. You need to believe you are capable of improving. The person you want to become is built through the thoughts you repeat. Fear has a voice. It says, what if you fail? What if people judge you? What if you lose? But a strong mind answers, what if I succeed? What if this changes my life? What if I become stronger? Fear is not always a warning. Sometimes fear is a sign that you are stepping into growth. Don't let fear write your story. Take control of the conversation. Confidence is not something you magically find. It is something you build. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, confidence grows. Every time you overcome difficulty, confidence grows. Every time you speak positively to yourself, confidence grows. Start telling yourself, I can handle challenges. I can learn. I can improve. I deserve the future I am building. Because your mind listens. Your brain is constantly learning from you. The words you repeat become instructions. If you repeat weakness, your mind creates weakness. If you repeat strength, your mind searches for strength. This does not mean ignoring reality. It means choosing a better perspective. Successful people are not positive because life is easy. They are positive because they refuse to let difficulty control their identity. Comparison destroys peace. You look at someone else's success and forget your own progress. You see their results, but not their struggles. You see their achievements, but not their sacrifices. Your journey is different. Your timeline is different. Your mission is different. The only person you need to defeat is the person you were yesterday. Your life changes when your identity changes. Stop saying, I am lazy. Start saying, I am becoming disciplined. Stop saying, I am broken. Start saying, I am rebuilding. Stop saying, I can't. Start saying, I am learning. The words you choose become the foundation of your identity. Build yourself with powerful words. Remember this. You spend your entire life with yourself. So become someone you trust. Talk to yourself with patience. Talk to yourself with belief. Talk to yourself with strength. Because the world will have enough people who doubt you. You don't need to become one of them. Your thoughts are creating your future. Your words are creating your mindset. Your mindset is creating your life. So choose your words carefully. Because every day, you are becoming the person your inner voice describes.